Hello, how have you been? We are La WEBA wearable technology store, and if this is the first video you see of us, subscribe to this channel, as we will be uploading content unboxing of different type of products we have in the store. Today we will start with this nice smartwatch, which is the i7 Pro Max. I think many of you have to have a doubt if you are about to purchase any of these products. So today we are going to show you what comes in the box. We are going to put this box in the right place. As you can see what comes in the box, it is the smartwatch, which is the i7 Pro Max. Here you can see that it is series 7. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it is series 7. This smartwatch is very good. It is worth mentioning that it also comes with the user guide in English and Japanese. Of course, it also comes with its charger cable, and you can put your watch like this and you can charge it with your cell phone charger. On the other hand, we're going to do this over here, so it's in the way. We also have the bands or bracelets. That would be something that we have noticed about this smartwatch, is that it is super easy to put the bracelet. It's not like other models that it is very difficult to put the bracelets on the smartwatch. In the case of the i7 Pro Max, as you can see, it is very easy to put the bracelets on the smartwatch. Okay, look, very easy. What else? I can also mention that this watch has very good lighting on the screen. It is not like other watches that you see that you turn that on and there is almost no illumination. I am with a very strong light and you can see everything in that part. There is not going to be any problem if you go outside and you try to see your watch, so you will not have any problem in that part. When we brought it to the store, we want to be completely honest with you guys. We did not think that this watch was going to like us so much, and above all that it would exceed our expectations, especially for the price. The price that we have in the store is $27.50 plus free shipping to El Salvador. And something super important of this watch is that, I mean, the price is super economical. The quality of this material is super good. It brings with a hell silica bracelet. The bracelet itself is a very nice matte black color. As I mentioned before, the material is hell silica, and it is super resistant material, by the way. It should be noticed that the i7 Pro Max watch is waterproof. We do not recommend to put or submerge it in a pool or a sea because it can be damaged. We recommend that if you use it, if you put it on and such, you can use it to wash your hands or something like that, but not to submerge. That would be the unboxing of this day. So if you like this video, please share, comment, give it a like, and subscribe to this channel, since you will be supporting a lot. Well, that will be all. We hope you have a great day. Bye.